If there are problems with the key fob battery in your Chevy Cruze, the first generation, it's very easy to replace the battery in these cars. So if you're getting something warning like key not detected, or maybe your car doesn't want to start, especially in push button start cars, so you will need to just replace the battery. For this, open the key blade, and then with your fingers, you don't need any tools, just with your fingers unlock this lid here, and you have the battery, the CR2032 battery. Just need to push it a little bit from this side and it will slide easily. And remember that you took it out this way, the positive side up. Yeah, so you need to see the CR2032 when you install the battery, and when you install it, you just put it there back and press it a little bit. It's not very stable there, so you will need to hold it with your hand when installing this lead back plastic cover, and just press it and make sure that everything is sitting tight, and that's all. Now you just have the working key.